Hello students, today we will talk about operations on algebraic fractions. Unit 2, Lesson 4. First, how to add and subtract algebraic fractions, and we also learn about multiply and divide fractions. Okay, student book, page 30, example 1. If n 1x equals x over x power 2 plus 2x and n 2x equals x plus 2 over x power 2 minus 4, then find n1x plus n2x and show the domain of n. First, in x equals x over x power 2 plus 2x plus, now we add n1 plus n2, x plus 2 over x power 2 minus 4. Now the denominators in the second degree, the denominator هنا in the second degree. Okay, we can factorize them. X over, we take x as HCF, x plus 2 plus x plus 2 in this denominators we can factorize between two squares, difference between two squares, x plus 2 and x minus 2. Okay, after that we can cancel x with s, x with x in the first fraction, and x plus 2 with x plus 2 in the second fraction. Now the first fraction is 1 over x plus 2 and plus the second fraction 1 also over x minus 2. Now the denominators are not similar, are different. We can make scissors, 1 plus x minus 2 and 1 plus x plus 2, and in the denominator x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, denominator x plus 2 times x minus 2, 1 times x minus 2 equal x minus 2 plus 1 times x plus 2 equals x plus 2. We can collect x and collect the constants. X plus x equal 2x, negative 2 with plus 2 equals 0 over x plus 2 times x minus 2. Is that the final solution? Yes, is that the final solution. In the denominator x plus 2 times x minus 2 in the first degree, this is n1x plus n1 plus n2x. Okay, example 2 in page 30 also. Find in the simplest form from nx equals 3x minus 4 over x power 2 minus 5x plus 6 plus the second fraction is 2x plus 6 over x power 2 plus x minus 6. Okay, the first step. The first fraction in the numerator 3x plus 4 in the denominators we can factorize it. 2 brackets x, x, and negative 2, negative 3, plus, in the numerator we can take the HCF 2, then 2x divide 2 equal x, 6 divide 2 equals 3. In the denominator we can factorize also x and another x, positive 3 plus 3 and minus 2. Okay. Now we can cancel to simplify. We can cancel brackets. We can cancel x and x plus 3 with x plus 3. Okay. The first fraction 3x minus y over x minus 2 times x minus 3 plus second fraction 2 over x minus 2. Now in the two denominators we can see x minus 2 and second fraction x minus 2 also. Now we can make LCM to make them in the similar denominators. X minus 2 times x minus 3. In the second fraction we can multiply the numerator and denominators times x minus 3. 3x minus y plus x minus 3 times 2 over x minus 2 times x minus 3. Now we can solve 2 times x equal 2x and 2 times negative 3 equal negative 6. Then 3x minus y plus 2x minus 6. We can collect them all over x minus 2 times x minus 3. To collect the numerator, 3x plus 2x equals 5x and negative 10 okay, x minus 2 times x minus 3. 3x plus 2x equal 5x and 4, negative 6 equal negative 10. 5, take 5 as HCF. Then 5 times x minus 2 over x minus 2 also. Then we can cancel them and times x minus 3. X minus 2 with x minus 2. Then the final solution is 5 over x minus 3. Now, second, multiplying and dividing the algebraic fractions. For example, example 4, page 32. If x equals x plus 1 over x power 2 minus x minus 2 times x power 2 plus 3x minus 10 over 3x power 2 plus 16x plus 5. First, if x equals x plus 1 over x minus 2 times x plus 1. Why? We factorize it times. We also factorize the numerator in the second fraction and the denominator in the second fraction. X plus 5 times x minus 2. Factorize it also. 3x plus 1 times x plus 5. Okay, now we can cancel brackets. X plus 1 with x plus 1 in the first fraction, x plus 5 with x plus 5 in the second fraction. Now, the numerator is 1 over denominator x minus 2 times x minus 2 over 3x plus 1. Now x minus 2 appear. We can also remove x minus 2 with x minus 2. We can do that in the one step. Then the final solution is 1 over 3x plus 1. Okay, now we turn off the student book and open the sheet, page 24, exercise 2. Find nx in the simplest form, showing the domain of the function where nx equals x over x minus 4 minus x plus 4 over x power 2 minus 16. Okay. First step, the first fraction as x over x minus 4 minus also numerator in the second fraction x plus 4 over. Now we can factorize difference between two squares. X power 2 minus 16 equals x, another x, minus 4 and plus 4. Before solving, now we can take the domain of the function. We studied before, domain is R minus set of zeros. What is the set of zeros there? 4 and negative 4. X minus 4 equals 0. Then set of zeros equals 4. X plus 4 equals 0. Then also negative 4 in the set of zeros. Then domain equals R minus 4 and negative 4. Okay. After that, we can cancel x plus 4 with x plus 4. We rewrite the fractions x over x minus 4 minus what? Minus 1 over x minus 4. Now we subtract two fractions and the denominators are similar. Then the solution is x minus 4 in the denominator and x minus 1 in the numerator, and that is final solution to exercise 2 in page 24 in the sheet. Okay, page 27 in the sheet, exercise 1. Find n of x in the simplest form and identify its domain where nx equals x power 3 plus 8 over x power 2 plus 5x plus 6 times 3x power 2 plus 9x over x power 2 minus 2x plus 4. We studied before how to factorize, how to take HCF, and also how to factorize the sum between two cubes. Okay, first step, in x equals, to factorize the numerator in the first fraction, x power 3 plus 8, then the first bracket x plus 2 and the second bracket in the negative sign x power 2 minus 2x plus 4. 4 equals 2 power 2. Okay, over factorize x power 2 plus 5x plus 6 in the form of x and another x, 2 and 3 in the positive, 2 and positive 3, times in the numerator in the second fraction. Okay, wait a second, we take 3x as HCF times x plus 3 over, now x power 2 minus 2x plus 4, is that can be factorized? No, we can't factorize it. We can't find two numbers, product is 4 and sum is negative 2. Okay, now we can cancel x plus 2 with x plus 2 and great bracket x power 2 minus 2x plus 4 with x power 2 minus 2x plus 4, and also x plus 3 with x plus 3. We can do that in the times and divide fractions only. Then we can identify its domain before solving. Domain equals r minus two denominators, x plus 2 x plus 3, then negative 2 and negative 3. After that we can complete solving, then in x equals 3x, and that is final solution. Okay, today we have finished all exercise about operations in algebraic fractions.